Hello, Coach Day, and today's video is going to be on the linear equation word problems. Here's how it's going to work. This assignment is actually going to be notes for the kids in class. So we're going to take our time. We're going to do this together, but I'll do an example, then you'll do an example, and we'll take turns like that. So let's start with these ones. The first four. It says slope intercept, and it says it gives you a hint. When given a rate of change, which is, remember, the m, and a starting point, which is the b, use slope intercept form, which we remember is y equals mx plus b. So let's look at the first one. It says you and your friends plan to attend a county fair this weekend. The admission to the fair is $5. And the cost per ride is 50 cents. So the admission is $5 and the cost per ride is 50 cents. If your parents gave you $20, write and solve a linear equation to see how many rides you can go on. Now, let's see what we have. I've got $5, I've got 50 cents per ride, and I've got a total of 20. Let's think, how are we going to set this up? Okay. Did it give us a starting value? Yeah, it cost everybody $5 to get in. So that's going to be our B. Did it give us a value that can change? Yeah, per ride, 50 cents per ride. So 0.50 times X, and that should equal our total Y. Now it says they gave us $20. So is that $20 going to be for the rides or for the cost? Good, it's going to go right there for the cost. So now we're going to plug in 20 for Y. Get $20 equals 50 cents times X plus 5. Because remember, the rides is what can change. Now all we have to do is solve for that X, and that'll tell us how many rides we can go on. So first, move my numbers on one side, so those cancel, and I'm going to just write the work right here. 15 equals 50 cents times X, and then now we just divide by the 50 cents. Those cancel. 15 divided by 50 cents is 30. So we can go on 30 rides. Now, I want you to try one, okay? Just how we set up number 1, I want you to work number 3. The reason that we're skipping number 2 is we'll have to work that a little bit different. Work number 3, it's very similar to number 1. After you're done working it, push play, and then we'll go over the answer together. So ready, work it, and push pause now. All right, number 3 says, your parents have decided to buy a new Toyota 4Runner for $25,635. According to the dealer, sorry, that's an important number, the car will depreciate in value approximately $3,000 per year. Now, if you don't know what the word depreciate means, that means lose value. So that's going to be a negative $3,000. Then it says, write and solve a linear equation to find how many years until a car is worth $3,135. Now, did it give us a start value? Yes. So that start value is our what? Good, it's our B. So 25,000, I'm going to take out the comma, 635. Now, does it have a value that's changing? Yeah, it's going down $3,000 per year. So negative 3,000, and the year we'll just use the X because that can change. It would equal our Y, or our total. Now, we want the total when we figure out the car will be worth $3,135. So we're going to plug that in for Y. Now, these numbers are a little bit bigger than what we had in the first one, but we're going to solve it the same way. Move your numbers to one side. So those cancel, and this one is going to give me negative 22,500. So I've got negative 22,500 equals negative 3,000x. And the last thing, I'll divide by negative 3,000. And I'll get 7.5. So in about 7.5 years, the car will be worth only $3,135. All right, that was 1 and 3. We're going to make another video for 2 and 4. Stay tuned.